am Dr. Suarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Mini IVF, also called as minimum stimulation IVF, is a very gentle, low-cost treatment often used in place of a regular stimulation cycle. It is usually done when ovarian stimulation is not very aggressive in certain cases like cancer or where there are good quality embryos and the woman is of young age. This is often considered. Ovarian stimulation is usually performed with low dose drugs, and usually for this treatment clomiphene citrate, letrozole are used in place of the conventional gonadotropins, which are FSH, LH, etc. About 3 to 5 eggs are intended to be retrieved using mini IVF in place of 10 to 15, which is the usual standard IVF intention when we are using aggressive stimulation protocols. Egg retrieval is the same as a normal IVF, where anesthesia is given for comfort and eggs are retrieved. Fertilization is also similar. An IVF, in vitro fertilization, or ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection, is performed so that fertilization can be brought about. Embryo transfer is also similar to a normal IVF cycle. However, because low dose medications are used, there is a good likelihood of a fresh embryo transfer in comparison to a more aggressive IVF cycle. So who is this for? Who is eligible for a minimum IVF cycle? It is for low ovarian reserve women. Because they have very few eggs, the intention is to bring out quality over quantity. We want to get out more eggs which have good chromosomal competence and can give us good quality embryos. This is also used as a protocol for women who are supposed to be using low medications, like if they are having a cancer treatment soon, or if cost is a factor, then low medications are given and the intention is to take low number of eggs but good quality. Usually the patients who are allotted to mini IVF are young and have a good ovarian reserve. Their quality of eggs is also assumed to be good. There are many advantages of this protocol. Because the medication dose is less, the after effects are also low. That is, ovarian hyperstimulation is a very low likelihood in minimum stimulation cycles. Then the cost is also very low because low dosage medicines are used, lower frequency is administered, so cost is also very low. The quality is very good over the quantity, so that's a very good advantage. And the short treatment cycle is a very big advantage for people who do not want to spend too much time over this treatment protocol. Then there are some disadvantages. Because it is a low dose stimulation cycle, the number of eggs retrieved could be low. The fertilization rate could be low. The cancellation rate of these cycles can also be more, because if low dose medications are used, maybe the eggs don't grow and the clinician has to cancel the cycle. So this protocol should be allotted to those women who are actually eligible for it, who will benefit from it, because they may choose it for low cost reasons, but if there is no success out of it, then 2 or 3 cycles of such mini IVF cycles can be equivalent to a normal IVF cycle. If you wish to understand more about this, or you want to go through an IVF cycle, please feel free to call us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.